George Lucas is saying that the new Star Wars didn't take any of his ideas. Good, George, we saw your revival ideas in that new Indiana Jones, and that was awful. Hey everybody, I'm Patrick Jones and welcome to Buzz 60. George Lucas sold Lucasfilm, which includes the rights to Star Wars, to Disney for $4 billion, or 93 times the original Star Wars' budget, factoring in inflation. You see, Mickey is very interested in continuing the good Star Wars name. It's much more of a sure thing than that John Carter problem. With that sale, Lucas says he slipped them his ideas for the 7th movie, but Disney gave him a big nope. Granted, Lucas did turn down directing the movie, deciding to spend more time with his baby, and instead J.J. Abrams directed The Force Awakens. Could be a good thing that they didn't force-feed Abrams Lucas's ideas. I'm just nervous that Lucas is stepping away from the movie a few months before it comes out. If it's bad, now we can be like, sorry about it. And even if it's great, he can celebrate like it's Victory over the Empire Day on the sanctuary moon of Endor. You heard the part where he sold Lucasfilm for $4 billion, right? Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.